Hi there. Are you using Monday.com but wondering which board type is right for your team? Today, we're breaking down the three types of boards: main, shareable, and private, to help you choose the best one for your workflow. And if you want to try Monday.com yourself, check the link in the description. Let's start with main boards. These are visible to everyone in your team, whether they're an admin, member, or viewer. Think of them as your team's open workspace, where all internal collaboration happens. Use main boards when your entire team needs access to project updates, tasks, and discussions in one place. Need to collaborate with clients, freelancers, or external stakeholders? That's where shareable boards come in. This is a great way to keep clients in the loop while keeping your internal data private. Private boards are only visible to the creator and invited users, making them ideal for planning projects, to-do lists, or plan work before sharing with the team. Now you know how to choose the right board type for your team. And if you want to explore Monday.com, check the link in the description to try it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon for more Monday.com tips.